Hello dear friends, I have come up with the nature of roots of quadratic equation. Let us discuss the various values of discriminant. D can be greater than 0, D can be equal to 0 or D is less than 0. When D is greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. When D equal to 0, roots are real and equal. And each root is equal to minus b over 2a. In the third case, when d is less than 0, roots are imaginary and unequal. So they are complex conjugate. Now, let us discuss this. We know that as per quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus under root d over 2a, and d is your b square minus 4ac, the discriminant. So nature of roots depends on the value of d, which we have discussed. It can be greater than 0, equal to 0, or less than 0. Now, if a, b, c are rational numbers, they belong to set of rational numbers, and a is not equal to 0, and if d is greater than 0, and d is a perfect square, then the roots are unequal and rational. If d is greater than 0 and d is not perfect square, roots are irrational and unequal. So we shall try to understand above with the help of some examples discussed on the next page. Now look here, I am coming to the next page. Some examples are there. Nature of roots. Now look here, example number 1. X square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Here a is 1, b is minus 5, c is 6. Find the value of d. D comes out to be greater than 0. D comes out to be 1, which is greater than 0. Roots are real and unequal. Now let us go to the second example. X square minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Let us calculate. Here a is 1, b is minus 4, c is 4. D comes out 0. So roots are real and equal. Let us go to the next case. X square plus x plus 1. A is 1, b is 1, c is 1. Let us calculate d. D comes out to be minus 3, which is negative. Roots are imaginary and unequal. Now let us go to the example number 4. X square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. A is 1, b is minus 5 and c is 4. D comes out to be 9. It is a perfect square. So roots are unequal, but they will be rational. Next case, x square plus 18x plus 30. A is 1, b is 18, c is 30. D comes out to be 204. It is not a perfect square. So roots are irrational and unequal. Let us go next. Now let us see how to find the sum and product of the roots. If alpha and beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, sum of the roots is minus b over a and product of the roots is c over a. Why and how? This is the question. Now look here, we know that as per the quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus root d over 2a, where d is b square minus 4ac. Since alpha and beta are the roots, the sum of the roots, if you add them, one is of plus sign, other is of minus sign. If you add them, you will get minus b over a. If you take the product, minus b over 2a plus root d over 2a into minus b over 2a minus root d over 2a, it comes out to be c over a. So sum of the roots is minus b over a and product of the roots is c over a. Let us go to the next. How to form a quadratic equation when sum and product of roots is given. We know that the standard equation, quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. divide both sides by a, what you will get? X square plus b over a x plus c over a is equal to 0. This plus can be written as minus minus. So it becomes x square minus b over a x plus c over a. It becomes x square minus sx plus p equal to 0. To form the quadratic equation, we need s and p. And supposing here alpha is 3, beta is 2 in this equation, x square minus 5x plus 6. Sum of the roots is 5, product of the roots is 6. So coefficient of the quadratic equations are 1, minus 5 and 6. So look here, minus b over a will be 5 and